I'm Claire, and I'm a cat lady.
Hi, Claire.
I love cats. And it's okay to love cats. But I love cats too much. I maxed out my credit cards buying scratching posts and fishy snacks. But when I lost my house, I knew that I'd hit rock bottom. I admitted I had a problem, and now I'm working the 12 steps.
It's not the meetings you make, it's the steps you take.
That's right. And come September, I'm going to get my 5-year cat-free chip. So, would anyone else like to share? Wendy?
Hi, I'm Wendy, and I'm a cat lady.
Hi, Wendy.
This week I started working step 8, making amends. I made amends with my husband, who I forced to sleep in the guest room so more cats could sleep with me in bed.
How about your daughter?
I tried. It's just, she's a dog person.
That's sick! One day at a time. Now, would anyone else like to share? Gregor?
Not really.
We made an exception so that you would be able to come to these meetings. You really should participate.
Fine. My name is Gregor. I am Catman. I love cats. Sometimes I love cats too much. And now I'm here.
Would you like to go into any detail?
No.
Okay then. Well, I see we have a new face here. Would you like to share?
Fine. Whatever. Hi, I'm Beth.
Hi, Beth.
Look, I shouldn't even be here right now. A judge sentenced me to this crap.
Why was that?
It wasn't even cats. It was cat videos. They were just so cute. I would just click on another and another and another. That's all. But then, the videos just weren't doing it for me anymore. I wanted to watch real cats. So I snuck over and looked at my neighbor's cats through their window. Until the cops came.
What were you charged with exactly?
They thought I was a peeping Tom.
A tomcat?
Now, Wendy, let Beth tell her story. And Beth, why didn't you just get a cat of your own?
I'm allergic.
Even to kittens?
I just don't know how this happened. I don't know how things just got so out of control.
So, would you say that you're powerless over cats?
Yes! Yes! I am powerless over cats!
Well, congratulations, Beth. That's the first step. Next, you need to give yourself over to a higher power.
Can the higher power be a cat?
No.
A tiger?
No. We've been over this. The higher power can't be any type of cat.
Achoo! Oh my God. Is there a cat in here?
I'm sure it's just dander on someone's clothing. Did somebody sneak a cat in here? Again?
God damn it! You know I can't be around cat!
Wendy, open your bag.
What? Why? There's nothing in my bag.
Open it now.
Okay, I know I screwed up, but look at his little bitty paws.
That's enough. You know what you have to do.
Claire, no!
Wendy,
Please, I promise I'll do better.
you need to take responsibility. You need to flush that cat down the toilet.
But I need it.
That's just the addiction talking.
Maybe I'm not a full-blown cat lady. Maybe I can have just one cat. After that, I swear, I'll stop.
Come on. If you could have cat like normal person, you would not be cataholic.
Wendy, I know this is hard. Think about how you'll feel tomorrow. We're so proud of you, Wendy.
Sobriety is a journey, not a destination. Is that?
I get plunger.
He's already busy.